day everyone, I'm Jonathan Chio of Bumper to Bumper Car Show, and beside me is the back-to-back champion, 10 times champion, best of show here in Bumper to Bumper Car Show Gensan.
I'm Jjhetty Tan, one of the owner of AUTOWORX. I own this AE86 Trueno. Actually, I'll give you history pagkuha ko nito. Nung naghanap ako ng Trueno sa Japan, pagpa-import, hirapan kami maghanap sa auction na yung gusto kong budget. Then, yung importer na kilala namin sa Japan, sabi, boss, meron isa, pero medyo parang may tama na ganyan. Kasi doon sa drift track daw nakapark. So sabi ko, sige na, kasi sakto sa budget. No way, pagbaklas, binaklas sa makina. Nalaman namin TRD yung cams, TRD yung piston, TRD yung LSD niya two-way. So tinawagan ko balik yung supplier, sabi ko, ito pala yung parang ginagawa ng practice drifting sa drift school. 2 years siguro bago nabuo ng ganito. Pagkuha ko ng sasakyan, yan na, naka-roll cage na siya, pati yung likod, yung braces, pati ilalim, yan yun, pinaint ko na lang. So,
performance talaga siya.
Yeah, medyo high revving siya hanggang cut off niya parang almost 9 ata, 8, 5.
And then guys, may advice tayo sa mga car show participants. Especially if you want to feature or gusto niyo pakita yung undercarriage, kung maganda yung pang-ilalim nyo, all you have to do is have a mirror para lang mag-reflect. Sample natin, Gab. So as you can see, pati yung ilalim niya malinis. And it's very well maintained, and we appreciate that sa mga car shows. And also sa mga restorers, collectors.
Yeah. Pagbili ko, galing Japan yan siya. Pinaint ko na lang siya ng red para dati parang anong color niya eh. Painted siya all the way. Binaklas lahat ng bolt, nuts, rubber, plastic, tanggal lahat. Pinaint, tapos binalik dandahan isa-isa. The car itself is special kasi number one, iconic siya. Maskin matanda, bata, kilala siya eh.
Especially ayaw mo nga ibenta sa akin, boss eh.
Soon.
So actually, one of our wish list is madala to sa Manila.
Yeah.
At least makita ng mga car enthusiasts sa Manila how
sa
it's properly built from Sub-Saharan Mindanao.
From Sub-Saharan Mindanao. Kung saan sinut yung initial D? Sa Gunma. Boss, sa Gunma province to.
Oh, nice.
86. Tunay ito na plaka ng Gunma na province.
Yung page nila is Gensan AUTOWORX Paint and Body Alignment Specialist. But don't be fooled kung nakita nyo body alignment specialist. Actually, one of the most respected shops here in Gensan is Gensan AUTOWORX. And saksi kami. We're witnesses.
Yeah, we're being in the market, 1997 pa nag-start kami, likod bahay.
So yung first Bumper to Bumper Car Show and even before Bumper to Bumper Car Show sa Gensan AUTOWORX, nandiyan na yan. And boss, congratulations. Kasi
thank you.
Sobrang galing talaga Gensan AUTOWORX for the past 10 years or more. Gensan AUTOWORX talaga #1 dito sa Gensan. Boss, congrats.
Boss, thank you rin, Boss Joe.